Uh-huh. Looks like they are back in full force. Yeah. All right, let's get it right here. So it's the one right here. You ready? Yep. All right. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back in the pickup. And today, of course, we got a special unboxing. Got my co-host with me, Miss Anila. And of course, we got a double your future film for you guys. Which one you want to do it on? This one or that one? You do that one? Which one? This one? Okay, so we got a full future film for you guys. We are unboxing a pair of Nike Roshe ones in the toddler size, as well as a pair of Nike Roshe ones in the adult size. Let's get into it, baby. Alright, so first things first, shout out to Nike for bringing back such a classic shoe. Nike has a lot of hits from the 90s and the early 2000s, and for them to bring this shoe back, I'm beyond appreciative. And for them to put it at the same price point when it first came out, I'm even more grateful. So these shoes, if you don't remember, these originally came out back in the year 2012, and it didn't really gain a lot of popularity until until around 2014, 2015. That's when they started bringing out a bunch of different colorways and then several other variations. And that's when these shoes really took off. And believe it or not, they still stay in the same price point that they're selling for today. These came out right around $70. And then right now, these are $75. And if you can catch them on sale right around $60, $65, maybe even lower depending on, you know, the colorway. Because I think that's what really makes the difference. Even though these are entry-level runners, pricing is everything. And for these shoes to only be $60 to $70, it's a steal. So what you get in these shoes is a tissue paper, which you want to recycle. And then one thing you get that I think that really stands out about this shoe, that really makes the shoe in my opinion, is this sole right here. If you guys look, it has like rigid designs throughout the whole sole of the shoe. And I don't understand why other shoes don't do this. This is what gives it almost a premium feel, because it feels as if like you're walking on memory foam. That's what the feeling it gives you. Now, I want to be clear. This shoe does not feel like Boost, does not feel like Nike React, but it feels comfortable, as if almost as if your favorite pair of flip-flops, if your favorite pair of flip-flops are not the Yeezys. So that's the best way I can put it. If your favorite pair of flip-flops are not the Yeezy slides, that's how these shoes feel. Plus a little bit of a rigid design for when you walk. So picking up where we left off, of course you have the knitting right here that's throughout the shoe. You're gonna get this Nike check right here, and then you'll get the Nike check right here, and then there's a Nike logo right here. Now this foam cushioning, as I was telling you guys, it really set the stage for other shoes to want to follow after. So much that I believe that the whole idea, or the whole reason we have the NMDs, is because of this shoe right here. And if you guys look, as I was telling you, look at that. They're almost one of one. The only difference is you have these little nodes right here that you don't have on the Nikes, but you have these on the NMDs. Now, like I said, these came out in 2012 and it didn't set the world on fire until around 2015, 2014. Surprisingly not, or surprisingly to some people, these came out and these were super duper hard to get. I remember I got these when I was out of town because I couldn't find these. I happened to be out of town when these came out, and I didn't have the means of getting these when I was in DC. I was actually in Atlanta, and they had a few sizes left, and I doubled up. I got these, I got the Tokyo pair, and a couple other pairs. These started off retail around 120 and went all up to 160. Hard to get. As soon as they sold out instantly. Yet these were still doing numbers. Everybody had a pair of these, and everybody wanted a pair of these. From people that was customizing them to people that wear them the way they were. I even remember there was a Yeezy variation of these. These were super duper popular. And I don't know, man. If you don't have a pair of these yet, I don't know what you're waiting on, man. You definitely gotta get you a pair of these, man. These are probably hands down one of the best entry level shoes there are that's out right now. You can wear these with anything. These are super duper versatile. Has a great level of cushion for the price. You can run in these, you can walk in these. I think I even wore these as pool shoes one time. That's just how comfortable and easy and cheap these shoes are. And yet they still hold a nice status symbol. So definitely get your pair of these if you can. They're only $60 to $70 depending on where you buy these from. Alright, so as far as size and fitting goes, if you're gonna wear these casually, definitely go half a size up. Now there are some runners that like to wear their true size, so the shoe fits a little bit tighter. It gives the effect and the feel that the shoe being actually lighter. So if you're gonna actually run in these, you can go your true size. But if you went with a half a size up, you can still run in these and you can still wear them casually. I just recommend going half a size up if you're gonna wear these casually, just because they're easier to slip on, easier to slip off. Now, like I said, as soon as I put these on, I feel the ridges right here and like right here. And to me, I enjoy it. Everybody's different, but definitely get you a pair to try on if you can. Like I said, easy to slip off and well worth the price. Hey, you tired? You tired of running?
Come here.
I'm extremely excited, and I feel sad a little bit when this tends to happen. But as you guys know, I do a lot of sneaker reviews, and I was fortunate enough to get an extra pair of shoes for free, for the Frito. So in order to keep my karma good, because I know somebody paid for these and I didn't, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I'm gonna give these shoes away, but